Hey, this is Jim at Broadfield. Thanks for joining us for another Broadfield Liquid Lunch and Learn every Thursday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Last week, we were live from the NAB show, New York. It was a great show for Broadfield and our dealers. For those dealers who had an opportunity to stop by our booth, I hope you had the chance to check out the display walls from Absen that we were showing off there. We were showing off both the NH 2.5 and the PL 2.5 panels. So you did have to step away from the booth a little bit to really see how beautiful those screens look from about 25 feet away. Reminder, Broadfield is your source for all apps and display solutions. So if you are looking for something in the live production space that does have a smaller dot pitch, we can help get those for you as well. We're working very closely with the Absen team. We had a lot of different products showing off throughout our Broadfield Pavilion at NAB New York, including LiveU with their lightweight production bundles. I know a lot of our dealers are very familiar with the LU300S, the LU800, and the way the servers, LiveU Studio, and the lightweight production bundle works. Today, I am going to talk to you about the LiveU Solo Pro and about how easy it is to offer your customers who are looking to get started in cellular bonding and live production this system with a full end-to-end solution available from LiveU. The LiveU Solo Pro will allow them to capture and encode their video signals from any HDMI or SDI camera, produce it by sending it over to the LRT Cloud software using LiveU Studio tools, and then sharing it to any of their social media formats. The LiveU Solo Pro is a very affordable introduction to the LiveU product line that allows your customers who may be looking to get started in the broadcast world, doing a video podcast, or just looking to cover local events, get started with LiveU. There is no server. All of that is being done in the LRT Cloud solution. So it is a very easy setup to get up and running. In fact, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. And the way you sell the LiveU Solo Pro is by starting with your choice of the Solo Pro encoder. The Solo Pro is available in either an HDMI only model at $14.95 or the model that we have here, which is the HDMI and SDI all together in one unit for $21.95. The second step of this equation, and we'll leave this shot up for just a second there. Sorry, James, I tried to catch you before you changed that. The next part is the modems. The modems are available in either a 2 modem kit or a 4 modem kit. And you will see on the table here in front of me, we have 2 different types of modems. The Inseego modem is the modem that was built for and optimized for use here in the US. This means it works with both GSM and CDMA carriers, 4G connections to AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon. For US and Canada, that is the perfect modem kit for your customers. The worldwide modems use these new LiveU modems. You can see they're a little bit quite larger than the Inseego modems, but these modems can be used with LiveU data services all over the globe. While the US modems are perfect for the US-Canadian market, especially with the use of Verizon, the LiveU modems give you the flexibility to travel and access the international data plans that LiveU has available. Now, once you sell the LiveU unit, you sell the modem kit, the next thing you're going to do is activate those kits or have your customers activate those kits. And remember, all of our LiveU dealers have a unique coupon code that when your customers activate these kits, you can offer them 5% off of all data and services from LiveU directly. Any 2 modem kit, the LiveU Solo Pro Connect Duo, is going to be $295 a month, or with international services at $520 a month. The 4 modem kit is the LiveU Solo Pro Connect QUATTRO. That would be $435 a month, whereas the international data would be $750 a month. We're going to talk a lot more about each of these 3 steps now, starting with the Solo Pro encoders. Again, with the LiveU Solo Pro, your customers will have a choice of the LiveU Solo Pro HDMI, the most affordable cellular bonded encoder available in the LiveU product line for just $14.95. The next option is the LiveU Solo Pro that has both HDMI and SDI, giving your customers the ultimate flexibility to work with any camera they need. I'm sure you'll talk to a lot of sports production customers that want that SDI signal, giving them the flexibility to run longer cables anywhere along the sideline or along the court. The LiveU Solo Pro with HDMI and SDI sells for $21.95. LiveU Solo Pro gives you exceptional quality with 4K video resolution, H.264 and 265. It is 5G compatible. All of the modems available right now are 4G modems, but the LiveU Solo Pro will handle 5G modems, and LiveU will be introducing some 5G modems as soon as they're affordable enough to do so. Right now, the cost premium for that 5G connectivity well outweighs the benefits of what you would need, whereas the LiveU unit with the 4 modem connection is working in even the most rural areas where that 5G is, we're really just waiting for those modems to come down in price. HEVC encoding means not only are you getting high definition and 4K video streams, but you're using less data and less bandwidth to do it. And limitless coverage allows you to get this LiveU Solo Pro unit working anywhere your camera can go, even with USB-C power support. The Pro Connect, this LiveU Solo Pro Connect modem kits, are kits with verified modems, either the Inseego or the LiveU modems, available with pre-installed SIMs that are ready to activate for all of your customers with the Solo Connect services. The Solo Connect services offer unlimited data plans with no commitment. Your customers can start and stop at any time. If you're working with a customer who is looking to live broadcast a high school football season and then will not be using it for the other 8 months of the year, they can shut off their services and then reactivate, as long as they leave themselves a little bit of lead time before they go out and produce their next event. The USA kits, as we talked about with the Inseego modems, are optimized for US data and reliability. The worldwide kits or international kits can operate all over the world, including the US. They're just not optimized to work with the different carriers here. Some of the key facts about the Solo Pro Connect is that all of the plans are unlimited, of course, with a fair use clause. LiveU will communicate with customers directly to let them know if there are any issues with that data and how it is being used. USA kits and international kits will be different hardware, different part numbers. We have all these kits available here at Broadfield. So we have either the Duo or the Quattro kits available in either the US or worldwide versions. And you can work with your Broadfield sales team to make sure we're getting you and your customers the right kits. Your customers make no commitment to the Solo Connect services or the data. This is not a cellular plan where they're signing in blood for a 3-year contract, or they're going to get penalized for the cost of the device. They're buying the hardware. They can start and stop the Solo Connect services to support it at any given time. The Pro Kit support 3 data regions with more coming soon, and worldwide traveler plans available. Monthly subscription services include LRT, and Solo Stream Tools is also available with these Connect plans. Some of the key limitations: the worldwide traveler kits will not work with the older LiveU Solo units. The LiveU Solo units can only use the USA modem kit, the Inseego modems that you see here. The Solo Pro Connect is intended for HD use. There will be upgrades for 4K capability and 5G capabilities when those modems become affordable or at least reasonably priced. LiveU does not support the bring your own device for the Solo Pro Connect services. If your customers want to use their own modems with the LiveU Solo Pro, they are of course welcome to do so, but they will not have access to the Solo Pro Connect services with the unlimited data. Those require these modems with the SIMs that are pre-activated and optimized for use. The 4 modem kits again are the Duo USA or Quattro USA. These are the USA kits with the Incedo modems. The Incedo modems are the ones optimized here for the US and Canada. It is 2 4G modems with pre-installed SIMs. Activation on the Duo kit is $450 a month. Activation on the Quattro kit is $435 a month. I'm sorry. So let's do the pricing again. The Duo kit is $450 for the hardware, and then the data services, the Solar Connect services, are $295 a month. The Quattro, which would be 4 of these with a belt pack and Y cable, is $995, and then the data for that is $435 a month. The international kits would be these LiveU modems, and you will see here that the pricing is the same. If you're going to use it in US or Canada, you can get the same kits, you can activate it with the same plans. There are international and travel plans available with these modems, whereas the kits with the Incedo modems are made and optimized for the US markets. Here we have what it will look like on your dealer price sheet. You will see there is a Duo Solo Pro Connect starter kit, $450, part number listed here, and the USA plan is $295 a month or $29.50 for the year. And then we have the Quattro USA kit, the Duo International kit, and the Quattro International kit. And these are all on the price sheets available from your Broadfield salesperson. Give us a call at 800-634-5178. Email your Broadfield sales team, and they can get you all of this information. The International Solo Pro Connect modem kits may be activated in Europe, Canada, and worldwide traveler plans are also available. All of the Solo Pro Connect services include LRT. LRT is the bonding connection from LiveU that allows you to take all of these and bond them together in the cloud, allowing you to stream with rock solid reliability to any of the services that your customer needs, whether it's YouTube Live, Facebook, a private CDN, RTMP stream, even SRT streams can now be done with LiveU Solo Pro. It allows you to get video and audio protocol developed by LiveU and taking advantage of everything that has made LiveU popular with their forward error correction and everything you need for a reliable stream. This chart really shows you exactly what to offer your customers and which Solo Pro Connect modem kit is going to be best for their use. Let's start first of all with the existing customers that have the legacy version of the LiveU Solo. The only modem kit that is going to work for them is the Solo Pro Connect Duo. That is the US version. It is a 2 modem kit, and that will work with the LiveU Solo. Customers who have or are purchasing a new LiveU Solo Pro have the ability to choose between either the 2 modem kit or the 4 modem kit. They have the ability to choose from either the US modems or the international plans. If your customer has a LiveU Solo Pro and they are in the USA, the question is going to be, where are you streaming from? In the most remote, rural locations, or if they're worried about a very busy area, say they're doing the Formula One race out in Vegas, where there's going to be a lot of cellular traffic, that's the customer I would recommend the Quattro kit to, with the 4 modems, giving them the maximum reliability. If your customers are traveling and they want to take advantage of the international plans or the LiveU Traveler plan, that would lead us towards these worldwide kits, also available in either the Duo or Quattro formats. We can share this chart with you and your customers at any time. Go to broadfield.com and check out some of the show notes from today's show, and we'll include it there as well. And now you can also get more with LiveU Solo Pro. LiveU Solo has released the LiveU Solo Stream Tools. This is a unified cloud video production workflow. Allows you to do simple things like adding a logo or a bug to your stream as you're broadcasting. It also allows you to get monetization with that by adding these different brand identity, logos, integrated sponsors as the stream is going on. All of that is being produced in the cloud. You can also use stream tools to allow you to stream to multiple destinations simultaneously. You can stream up to 3 online platforms, including social media platforms, private CDNs, and more. And you can do all of that by adding stream tools in the cloud to your Solar Connect services. And your customers can use your Scene reseller coupon code to get 5% off of all of these services and the Solar Pro Connect. So again, I want to summarize that selling LiveU Solo Pro is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, which encoder is right for your customer? HDMI, or do they need HDMI and SDI? Step 2, which modem kit? Refer to that flow chart that we showed you a couple slides ago. Are they in the US? Are they traveling? Do they need 2 modems? Or will 2 modems suffice? Or do they really need 4 modems because they're going to be in a high traffic or a more rural location? And then step 3, help your customers use your coupon code to activate their Solar Connect services with LiveU to give them the most access to unlimited data, LiveU LRT, and stream tools to be able to take all of this together into a complete solution from capture to final production. If you have any questions on any of these products, reach out to your Broadfield sales team at 800-634-5178. The LiveU Solo Pro and Pro Connect modem kits are all in stock and available now in Broadfield, New York, and California. So give us a call today and tune in every Thursday at 1 p.m. as we share some more exciting product information, promos, new products, and more. Until next week, cheers.
Broadfield Distributing is a value-added distributor of live production, streaming, video editing, and storage products. We only sell to resellers. We are always looking for new dealers, so call us at 1-800-634-5178 or email sales@broadfield.com. You'll like doing business with Broadfield because we make it easy to do business.